Hey everybody, how's it going today? Hope you guys are all having a wonderful freaking day. I mean, that's what it's all about. You guys having a great day. That's my happiness right there, is you guys. Today I just got a $20, 215 cash explosion, hoping for a nice win. Boom, bada boom. We're always hoping for a nice win, aren't we? I guess I shouldn't say I'm hoping for a nice win. We all need nice wins. Everybody. And we're gonna get it. We're all definitely gonna get it. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but it's coming. It is, for sure. Um, take a money bag symbol, I mean, if you want to give it to me, I would greatly appreciate that. Boom, bada boom. Alright, well, it looks like it did not give me any symbols, but there's hope that we got some matching numbers, right? 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 17. No 17. 30. No 30. 41. No 41. 36. Got a 36. Alright. Well, it's a winner. That's all we could ask for. Keep us going. 37 or 47. 43. I think we got a 43 down there. And a 6. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's 3 matches. We're going to go ahead and check out our 47 for $10. Okay, okay. I think there was a 36 right here. Go ahead and check that guy out for another $10. Okay, and 43 for another $10. Alright, well, that's 30 bucks. More than what we paid for the ticket. Can't complain about that. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.